here we are. Looks like we're going to get a storm. I was going to go somewhere tonight, but I changed my mind. Still on a Facebook ban. Well, let me see. Ooh, there goes the demon. You want to go in, Sookie? Sookie. Mustard, you want to go in? I guess not. Here's Lodi. Dang, kind of weird music in the hood here. Well, isn't this nice? It feels nice and cool out here. I don't even need this damn thing anymore. Well, Miss Sookie, what's up? Oh, here comes Hisser. You can't really see him because he's... Oh, here comes the thunder. He's one of the strays that I feed. I'll get sped here. I hate to say it, but he'll get trapped, spaded, well, neutered. I think he's a male. He needs to get neutered, get a rabies shot, get dewormed, and then they bring him right back here. I do hate to do that, though. I should have done it in the fall. But I heard Paws is pretty good. They check the traps every so hours. You know, they don't just do it once a day or something. They got people on notice to check the traps a few times a day. So that's good. But I really need to get this man right here. Now Victor is a very good cat, and Victor has been spayed and neutered by Paws. Oh, that was a nice little flash. Come here, Vic. And, well, I guess you can't see his ear, but they tipped their left ear. Wow. Okay, well, I guess we're going to get... Well, Victor, you're always welcome to come in. See, Victor's left ear is tipped just a little bit. But it's time. Now, I can just bring Victor in, because Victor stays in with me. He sleeps in the bed sometimes. Come here! Get out of that road! Sookie? I hate that. You know, I don't want to make cats. Cats are cats. And I don't like cats having to stay in. You know, to me it's kind of cruel. But watching them can be a real pain in the butt. There's Hisser. Now the other ones that come by are Miss Mildred and I call him Baby Gomez, and a few more come by. See, they all need to get spayed and neutered. Matter of fact, some of them are so cute. Paws would probably find them a very good home. Here comes the lightning. Leave him alone, Lodi. He doesn't want you messing with him. Boom. Come here, you guys. Time to come in. They won't. My cats are weird. They'll stand out in the rain, especially Victor. I mean, just stand right out in the rain. Here's my little, I should say my little sweetheart. But shh, nobody's supposed to know that, especially not the rest of them. There she goes. Well, she's a baby, so I don't see Itty. I know she's in Itty. Itty's the strangest little cat I've had, which is probably why nobody sees her. Let me check on Tot. Tot, you want to come out? Now, Tot's a mama's girl. Tot's a mama's girl. She's not sure what she wants to do. I don't blame her. She doesn't like the lightning. They just about destroyed my door. The stuff on the... Yeah, had to go buy some more. Buy some more of that lining. Okay, I got my eye on her. I cannot find Itty. Victor, I don't worry about. Victor can always take care of himself. Victor, where's the rest of them? Vic? Yeah, poor old Victor. He gets used as a babysitter. Poor fella. But I love Victor. Victor's a very good cat. But now the rest of them just took off. They sure don't mow the lawn. Oh, there's, shoot, man, I don't know which one. Maybe Victor. I think that's Lodi and Mustard underneath this truck. Poor woman over there has been dead since December. I'm trying to help her, you know. Took her to Walmart, helped her out with her phone, and, you know, she's still got this big old truck that actually probably runs pretty good. Except she needed a battery. There goes Lodi under it. But yeah, I mean, it's really not a bad truck. It's been sitting here for months. Since, you know, since that poor lady passed away. She had, I don't know, heart... Come here, Lodi! She had, like, heart failure or some kind of problem. Whatever. I really did feel bad for her. But it was really, really super hard to help her. Oh, man, because other people around here tried to help her, too. And it was just very difficult. Come on, let's get in. Mustard. See, that's what I mean about them. They'll just hang out in the rain. Doesn't bother them. Better check my windows. Yep, here it comes. Which I'm glad, man. I'll take anything. Oop, oop, oop. I'll take anything over the heat. Come on, let's get in. Let's get in. Come on, Sookie. Come on. Lodi. Mustard. God dang it. God, they make me mad sometimes. Come on now. It's starting to rain real good now. Come on, let's get in. Lodi, are you just happy to sit out here in the rain? Yeah. Yeah, he wants to come in. Let me go back over here and, well, that's nice lighting. And open up this daggum window here. Just a minute, Lodi. They want to go in and out the window. They don't want to use the door. You better get in here. Let's go. Come on. You want to sit out in the rain? Come on, dumbass. Come on, Sookie. Sookie. Come on, let's go. I see one of them. I see their eyes under the car. Come on, let's go. Okay. And that's that, Mr. Lodi. He just, oh, that's a nice little thing there. Come on, let's get in. See, that's what I mean. I don't get it. Let's get in. Lodi? Now Lodi's gone. Well, Because everybody can tell it's raining, but they like to run around the rain. They're sooky. No, there's Itty. Come on, Itty. Itty. Come on, Itty. Come on, let's go. There's 3 of them in. Come on, there's 3. Mustard! Man, I swear I think Mustard's got, you know, when he was younger, I used to say he had special needs. Mustard! He does. He's special needs. Mustard! Good gravy. Mustard! Yeah, special needs. He's always kind of been that way. Shoot, man. See, all of them are in but Mustard. Mustard! Mustard! I guess not. Well, so much for life in the bricks. Oh, what?